if you guys want a quick 60-second tour. That is not a picture. That's actually me over in the Expo Center. I'm happy to do a walkthrough when you're all done. Andrea, if you want me to.
Yeah, Brad, go ahead. I think folks are interested, and we have game night that does include networking following this. So we will, it was a great session, Glenn, thank you. And, I think this is probably a lot of value. If people want to hang out in here afterward to network, you're more than welcome to. But Brad, take it away.
Yeah, I'm just running through there now. If you can't see the screen, you can click on the little refresh button. It's located in the upper left or upper right corner of the screen that's up here in the conference center on your left. Outside there's a little double arrow that'll refresh. Otherwise it's probably saying join the free conference call. I'm just running around the expo floor right now. They're going to have different vendors. There's breakout tables here. This is one of the assets that they were referring to as far as what's happening next week. I have to be honest, I've been to these expos. I've been to NAR conventions. I've been to the Inman Connect conferences, and as Glenn said years ago, the bar camps and the NAR events, and this is almost I'm going to be honest, it's better because I just ran through the whole convention center and I'm not tired like I would be if I was at the real convention. So there's a value add right there, the fact that I can run around this entire convention center and not be exhausted.
Hey Brad, you're not using Crankwheel, are you? A lot of people can't see it. I think the free conference call doesn't.
Yeah, if you refresh the screen, and I can switch to Crankwheel, but Crankwheel, it doesn't show real time for me. It's about a 5-second refresh rate. There is a button right up here. Normally people can click on that, and it should refresh this screen. If not, still not working. All right, let's do Crankwheel. I can switch it up that quickly. We'll just go over to Crankwheel.
Brad, while you're getting that set up,
yeah, go ahead.
I think Glenn had to bounce.
I just came to the audience a bit.
Oh, okay. Glenn, wanted to thank you for your time today. You are a gracious guest, and thank you so much for sharing with us and giving us some insight into your mindset and how you see the business opportunities available and how you tackle those. Definitely was a good session, and appreciate you coming in today.
Awesome. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you. All right,
Thank
so
you.
I'm going to use the Crankwheel.
Thank you.
I'm going to try it on this this screen in the center. This left one's kind of weird, and I think there's something going on in the stage. Andrea, your mic a couple times was I don't know what happened, but it's
oh man,
sounds good. No, it sounded good. It was just for a second. But let me just throw this link up here. My head is not
I'm going to be
working.
honest. I think it's probably having multiple people in my house that are streaming things. My internet connection is set up to be beefy, but like I'm not sure anybody planned for so much use in one spot. So could be that.
Can you see my avatar now on the middle screen?
I can.
Oh, it looks like
Yes.
I'm on both screens.
Yes, it's working.
Okay, so let's see if Crankwheel will not be cranky on me today. Normally it just drags a little bit for me, but I'm going to run through this this convention center. I happen to be up on the second floor right now. And you can see there's some sitting spaces you can go in. There are private zones. People can sit over here and check their voicemail message. I kind of look at this like a real building and what people would be doing in here. And we're going to have breakouts. I think there's 75 breakout sessions. These are a bunch of the different vendors that are going to be available at the convention. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick 60-second overview. This is built as an asset inside the EXP world, where they're having their shareholder public summit next week. I'm going to go back down onto the conference floor, exhibition floor, but you guys can get an idea of kind of what this looks like and how people will be able to come in here. And this is the main entry location. This starts next Wednesday or Tuesday. They're going to have a selfie station where you'll be able to come over and take photographs of your guests and visitors. And then they'll have the booth. There's our VirBELA booth, and all of these booths will have different affiliated partners and people that'll be, manning these booths and answering questions and coming up with solutions in a variety of different aspects of the real estate business. Lots of great stuff here, but it has a real feel of a convention center, and it's even got these little breakaway desks where people can break away and share products, tools, services, kind of collaborate together. So there's a quick tour for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to hang out and ask. I am going to pop over to the social. There's a social gathering today. I think it's in boardroom 1. Is that right, Andrea?
I believe so. Yeah, it's the boardroom over, I think, off the welcome area. I'm not 100% positive, though. Let me check with Caitlin.
Hello, good people. I'm actually in another world. I'm over in the VirBELA campus showing you all off. So say hello to everybody at VirBELA. Go ahead.
Hello, everyone.
Hey, everybody.
Hello.
Wait, let me just do a little dance for you.
There you go. There's one world talking to another world. How you guys like that? That's a first.
Brad, you're our favorite multi-world traveler.
Yeah. Crazy thing is I'm doing this all with my Zoom people on a Zoom call right now too. So, and free conference call. I better not keep trying to break the system here.